Men can't date a person who doesn't not have an income at end of the month. You understand it? Men can't date a person who doesn't not put something on the table. They can't date that person. Even you don't go to work, but you can every month you got SASA grant. It's better because it's something, because the SASA grant, guys, it's something, it can do something at end of the month. You understand it? It's salary. Just because, guys, the men can't date a person who doesn't not have a salary nowadays. Because you can demand for him everything. But when you have your own SASA grant, it's better because you can do something with your money. You understand it? Why are you dating a person who doesn't not have a good income? So nowadays, men can date a person who have a good job. You understand? A good job. Who puts something on the table, who have a salary at the end of month, because they don't want to be demand. Things are so guys, nowadays things are changed because men, they can't take care of us women. You understand it? Nowadays women take care of men. Guys, things are changed nowadays.